Are you looking for a profitable scalping trading strategy with high win rate? In this video I show you one of the best of scalping strategy. Set time frame to 15 minutes, because this is 15-minute scalping strategy. You must use Heikin-Ashi candles to get best signals, but I use normal candles in this video. Let's configure the indicators. Indicator number 1 is LTB zigzag circles. Indicator number 2 is ultimate moving average. Indicator number 3 is JMRSX clone. Set the indicators setting like in the video to get best result. Do not use this strategy in the range market. Let's check the conditions of entering the position together. Before that, please like this video in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Thank you guys. You are the best. These are the conditions for entering a buy position. Condition number 1, you must see green triangle. Condition number 2, candle must be completely above the green moving average line. Condition number 3, red line must be above the white line. Set risk to reward to 1.5. Now let's see the result together. Now let's check the conditions for entering the sell position. Condition number 1, you must see red triangle. Condition number 2, candle must be completely below the red moving average line. Condition number 3, red line must be below the white line. Now let's see the result together. Please like this video and watch other videos of this channel.